What's up, you guys? It's your boy K back with another video, and today we're going to be covering a problem with the GMC Envoy and the Chevy Trailblazer. They're the same car on the same platform, but as you can see on the screen, oil pressure keeps dropping from 40 psi to 0 psi. If you're having this problem with your Envoy or your Trailblazer, stay tuned, watch the whole video because I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. It's an easy fix. Make sure you subscribe. What's up, you guys? Today we're going to change oil pressure sensor switch. So we're working on an Envoy, GMC Envoy, but this is pretty much the same thing as a Trailblazer too. They're pretty much the same platform. This is what it looks like here. So what you're going to need is an oil pressure sensor ratchet, not ratchet, but socket and a ratchet. Of course, you're going to need some way to lift up the vehicle. You could use jack stands, or you could jack it up, put jack stands underneath it, or if you have access to a lift, you can use a lift. Today I'm using a lift. So this process is really simple. Once you get under the car, the sensor is located right on top of the oil filter. So here's the oil filter right here. Yep. All right, so there's the oil filter. And let's see if we can get in there. See if you can see it. The sensor is right here on top of it. Right up there. You can see it. Let's see, like right there. So you just gotta take that off and replace it with the new one. Super simple. But if you've been driving a car, be careful because of course the oil pan and everything is hot, and hopefully you could just do it without, well, just a tip, just do it, try to do it with the car being cool so you don't burn yourself. But unfortunately I've been driving it because I had to go get the part, so I just got to be careful. But I already got it unhooked, so now just trying to get tool in there. Got it on there. Let's see how I can get the ratchet in there. Set that down. Most of the time working on the car is a filling game. Trying to get the socket on with a ratchet on there.
Oh, I wonder if I can have a shot of where it's at through.
Yep, I got it. There we go. Nope. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. So once you crack it loose, you just keep going. I'll get it a little bit loose until I can just twist it off of my hand. But trick is, don't pull it all the way out because you're gonna need room to take your tool off. See if you can get me getting it out. That oil is gonna come out. There you go. All right, you guys, so here's the old one. It's pretty oily. Of course it's gonna be oil on this part because that's where it's getting the pressure from. But as you can see around here, it's oil, so just lets you know it's really bad. Time to get replaced. Just a hint, once you do pull it out, oil is gonna come out just a little bit, so don't be scared. But here's the new one. Now it does come with an O-ring. Where did I put the box? All right, so right now I'm just getting some oil Why? Because I want to put just a few drops on here. That's to oil it up. Make sure you close it. Yep, just a few drops. Oil it up there. Try to get a good clean finger. Just rub it around here just to make sure it goes in good. And then put the seal on there. Get the seal moisturized so we can have a good seal. All right. There's the seal. So you just take it and really just put it on there. It's kind of like a little rubber band. Just wrap it around. Make sure you put it all the way down. All the way down just like that. Make sure it's flat. You can rub that oil on around a little bit more. And then that's it. So we take the new part, put it back in the same hole. I'm gonna go from the side, put it in. That's what she said. But there you go. Okay, now for a little tip. Once you put it in and you finger tighten it, make sure the bottom with the two little prongs on the bottom of the sensor, make sure it's facing you. So if you're looking up, you can see the two little prongs on the sensor. That way, when you put the actual connector piece on there, it'll be in the right position, right? Now, with this sensor, it doesn't have to be super tight. You just get it, just give it a little snug, just make sure it's on there. But it doesn't have to be super tight, like how, you know, a tire, the nuts on a tire and all that stuff. Just get it snug. You don't want to get it too tight because then you can mess up the sensor. I don't know the correct like foot-pounds or whatever to torque it at, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm just gonna get it snug, and that'll be good enough for me.
Got it.
All right, cool. All right, so after you get it on there tight, which I got it, go ahead and get your connector here. And just feel for the prongs, slide it on there. Yep, there you go. Once you hear a snap, it's on there. All right, you can come back this way. All right, you guys, so that's pretty much how you replace an oil pressure sensor on your Trailblazer, Envoy. It's the same car, same platform. That's how you do it. Just remember, try to do it on a cool car. Remember, oil is gonna come out of there once you pull out the sensor. Remember, just get it snug. It doesn't have to be super tight. And there you go. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next video.